Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to free up space on your MacBook or MacBook Pro, whatever you're using. To do that, all you have to do is click on teeny tiny little option on the left upper corner, the Apple logo. Click on it and go to this called about this our system preferences. Click on system preferences. You will see a lot of option in here, but you have nothing to do here. So you're gonna go to about this Mac. As you reach out about this Mac, you will go to storage. In here you can see on the third option, click on storage and click on manage storage. Currently you can see you have used this much space and you have free available 18 GB on my laptop screen. But if you want to change it, click on manage. And as you click on manage, you can see a lot of option available in here. But what you have to do is whether decide where your waste material is available. So 56 GB of this laptop is being used as documents. 1.1 is being used as iTunes, and some documents are a lot more occupying space and application. So in case if you don't want any application on your MacBook, you can see all the available applications that are available that are taking up your space. You can delete it from here and make up a free space. In case if you don't want it, you go to documents and see what documents you don't need. Sometimes if you are a YouTube editor, you would see that your iMovie library is filled with a lot of crap. All you have to do, click on it, delete it, and that will make up a lot of space for your screen. So if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.